scared.
Oh, we need to vote. I don't discriminate.
We know.
What?
Huh?
We can make it if we try, just the two of us.
Just the two of us.
Oh.
It's just sliding around. It's just sliding.
Just eat it.
I just don't.
Who?
In my Walter Payton, in my Hank Aaron, in my OJ.
What's my favorite word?
I want to say Melvin, but it ain't Melvin.
Oh.
Do you twerk?
Oh, little mini
twerk.
magically delicious.
What's up, everybody? It's Tioka with Vagabond Culture, your #1 source for everything travel, adventure, and lifestyle. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video.
What's up, everybody? It's Tioka with Vagabond Culture, and we're here with another snack crate video. And today it is Spain, and I am here with
Thelma.
Joe.
Amber.
Now, every snack crate comes with a brochure, and in it you can find fun facts about Spain and also a list of their different snacks. Some of them we will be reviewing today. Stickers. So if you have children on a snack crate, they definitely always love the stickers.
Yeah. That's cool and everything. Let's start the show.
So these are Boca Bits. They look like pork rinds, which I'm all for, but I don't think that's what they are. It says Cortezas de Trigo. It smells like those, are they called Munchos?
Oh, I think I know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, I know exactly what you're
Well, it
talking
makes
about.
me think
Are
of
they not called
what's the
Munchos?
cone type of snacks?
You're talking about bugles?
Bugles? Yeah, it reminds me of that.
It's
I
another
trust the
chip that's
texture.
more like this though.
It tastes like a bugle to me,
Does taste like bugle.
just like it. Except it's softer and more airy.
It's weird. To me, like, not texturally, but taste-wise, it tastes like an unsweet graham cracker.
Graham cracker?
Like graham cracker with no,
I see what you're saying.
like no sugar, you know?
Yeah. So we have a snack by Ruffles.
You right, Ruffles?
Yeah.
Sabor a Amon.
Okay. I'm on this, I believe, ham.
Yes.
Ham flavored chip.
I think it's just gonna be flavoring. I don't think it's gonna be actual.
I'm sure, but
You don't rock with the
I
ham?
don't like the. I don't eat pork.
Me neither, girl. Me neither, girl. Me neither, girl. Me neither, girl.
Weird smelling a little bit.
Did you see Joe say he don't eat pork?
Yes.
Liar.
Wonder if you know that I know he's lying right now. Why the you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God! Stop lying.
And I was believing
It
like
kind of
something.
liar.
Or like teriyaki.
Just had pizza today. He said you said pepperoni and Italian sausage.
I could never
You
fool
lying,
with
y'all.
Italian sausage, even when I did eat pork.
Really?
It always like gave me indigestion or something. I don't know. It tastes
It
like
does taste like ham.
It tastes like a
It
bacon bit.
does
It does
taste like
ham.
ham.
It tastes like a bacon bit.
It does taste like ham.
It tastes like ham.
Yeah.
All right, we have spicy mangoes.
Oh, I love mangoes.
They are
I love
gummies.
mango, and I love gummies. I like
I don't know about spicy mangoes.
I don't like spicy bad things.
It's weird.
Yeah, I don't
It
know.
looks like it. I
The
don't
shapes are
know.
weird.
No, like the texture of it.
I've had gummies that are just texture.
Really?
It smells good.
It's kind of weird texture.
Oh yeah, it is texture.
I told you it's weird.
Yeah.
It is spicy.
Like the flavor is there.
It tastes like a mango.
Yeah,
It does taste like
but I do get a little bit of the
It's
spice.
I got that spicy right there.
I just don't get down with spicy candy.
You alright, Tioka?
It is spicy.
Yeah.
that little spice gets in your throat. It's like,
It kick in a little bit.
It's a little spicy, but I appreciate that the mango flavoring actually tastes like
That
mango.
was accurate
Mhm.
mango
It
fruit
did.
flavor.
Very
Yeah,
accurate.
because that doesn't always happen with
It's
fruit,
really.
with fruit flavored
That's true.
candy.
This looks like egg chips.
Huevo frito.
Oh, okay. I love a fried egg.
I do too, but I have
Me
never.
too, but not egg tasting
it scared me too because it got the sunny side up and all food with it.
Well, I'm pretty sure you ain't gonna get no yolk.
I mean, I'm just saying, it just makes me nervous.
You know, like a little runny yolk a little bit.
Oh no.
When you bite into that burger,
Oh,
that
I like a little runny yolk.
No.
good.
Why she gotta open this bag like this? She really worries me.
Please leave a comment below. They are hating on the way that I open my potato chip bags. I don't think it's that bad.
Trying to figure out why you open the bag like this.
Yeah, I don't know what egg flavoring tastes like. That's what got me nervous.
It smells just like a regular.
It smells like a chip.
That middle of that chip made a little stink though.
It smells like it. It came quick.
That is
Who
absolutely
thought to
egg.
make egg chips?
As soon as you bite it, the egg come
I
out.
feel like somebody put it in my mouth. What it felt like.
They successfully
Yes.
flavored the egg chip. Like it tastes like eggs.
It does.
But I don't see a need to ever have an egg chip. It's called Choco Creme con Cachitos.
Oh, wait a
It
minute.
sound
You
good.
know I love conchitos.
But so it looks like a chocolate with like maybe like an Oreo cookie.
Oh, that does look
in the
good.
middle.
I ain't mad at it.
Not bad.
It's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
This is wonderful.
It's like you know the white chocolate Hershey's.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It does taste like
Covered in chocolate.
That's a good idea. Why didn't we think of that in America?
I don't know.
I have Filipinos
Make a word to the camera.
with real milk chocolate, not that fake kind.
I would like it without the
Like,
chocolate.
it's not bad, but it's not like amazing either. But it's just there. Just
It
a,
don't really taste like anything.
It tastes like something I've had before.
Nothing to
It's
write
like-
home about. It's just
It's like a really watered down version of, you know, the little s'mores cookies from Girl Scouts.
Mm-hmm.
it's not terrible. My first time tasting the Filipino.
The only Filipino he'll be tasting. The rest of his life.
That's right.
I said what I said.
Principe Barritas.
It looks sad. It's
that a superhero on the front?
That's Principe.
well, that makes sense.
It's a little
I don't
curve.
like it. I'm about to say
Break you off a piece. Break you off a piece of that funk.
No. We just gonna do this.
Sound
Oh, wait. It's dry when you break it?
I didn't think it was gonna be dry. They don't like moist snacks in Spain. We gonna go with that. I ain't know but a Filipino.
Very interesting texture.
It's not terrible. Da-da-da-da.
When you get more of it.
Mavel
Sunday school
Turan
teacher.
Vienna.
Oh.
It looks like
That definitely
a
sounds
Kit
like
Kat bar.
Sunday school teacher. My name is Mavel Turan Vienna. I will be teaching Sunday school today.
My mom has a friend named Melville.
Why you had to say it like this?
Because that's how she says it. So, and everyone says it like that. So, Melville.
Yeah, this is like a nutty bar.
Like a Nutter Butter? It does taste like,
It does.
yeah,
It's good.
little Debbie.
Okay.
Little Debbie bar.
I like it.
It's good.
Fuck with it.
So these are palotes.
Sad.
Ooh, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's
Palotes.
Yeah. Which I think they're just like taffy.
What's happening to it?
I don't know.
It's like it's going away. Y'all see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
It's disappearing
It's
like
breaking up as you're eating it.
cotton candy or something.
What flavor is this?
Strawberry.
It's supposed
Are we sure?
Yeah.
See, the mango tastes like mango.
Snozzberries taste like snozzberries.
Snozzberries? Who ever heard of a snozzberry?
That's what that was, a snozzberry, I believe.
I don't know what
It just doesn't taste like any fruit I've ever eaten.
Yes.
Yeah, like no fruit.
You eating that egg? Ugh, the smell came over
I
here.
told you, it's
You got some of that?
Picotos.
Oh!
And I don't know what flavor this is. I don't have no smell, but it's interesting texture.
It's like a little
It's like a what is it?
strawberry.
Okay.
Oh, that's okay. No?
Oh. Wait a minute, wait.
It's very sweet, but it's not bad.
It tastes familiar, to be honest.
I don't like that little center.
It's not bad.
You know what it tastes like?
Nah, we had a little cherry.
Like like the slices.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well,
yeah,
the
yeah,
cherry?
yeah.
It tastes just like that.
It does taste
I
like
like
that.
that.
Yeah, I don't like that.
You don't like orange slices?
That ain't orange.
You don't like cherry
Watermelon
slices?
Cherry
slices?
Absolutely not.
La casitos. Yeah. This is gonna be good. I'm just calling it right now.
What? We don't even know what the colorful things are, Jewel.
They like M&M's. They look like M&M's. With your chocolate. It's good though.
Yeah, chocolate with M&M.
Yeah, it'll get 8.
Yeah.
Okay, I got some M&M that.
I'll taste some peanut butter somewhere.
Peanut butter.
Was that just me?
Yeah.
I think the egg chip with the chocolate gave you peanut butter.
Maybe.
Is that the recipe?
Really?
Wait! That's what you do. See, you would think peanut butter was made of peanuts,
Right.
but it's actually eggs and chocolate.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Look, you learn something new every
Blend it
day.
together.
That makes sense.
So you put the chocolate in a bowl.
Little egg.
Put it in a bowl. Mix that together.
Yep.
Then you have peanut butter.
That's an option if you don't have eggs.
Not putting in the bowl.
Put the top over real quick so it don't get out.
Exactly. You gotta trap it. You gotta trap it.
Let it sit overnight. Wake up in the morning.
You know what?
Peanut butter.
It's disgusting. We have Melody Pops.
Ooh. Oh,
Oh,
you never had that when you were little?
oh.
Another waste of a childhood.
Damn.
Yeah, it's just a regular lollipop. It's good though.
Okay, so the last thing we have, it looks like it's a beverage. It's a Cas. It probably won't have a lot of flavor. So I'll probably like
I feel like it tastes like mellow yellow.
It smells like baking soda.
it. It does not smell like baking soda.
It does. Baking soda. I got baking soda.
It ain't bad. It's a little tart.
I like the chocolate covered cookies and cream Hershey.
good.
I like Paquito, the Lacasito. Everything else is just like,
I feel like Spain was one of the better boxes that we had.
Really?
Because it was pretty consistently good. Like nothing was like really bad.
that's true.
I like the Paquitos, and the egg chips aren't bad.
Yeah.
The spicy mangoes, I like the Mavels.
I think the box overall was like a little flat. I do like the spicy mango candy. I do like the cookies and cream bar. Don't like the Paquitos. They all like it. I trash. Okay.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in again to yet another amazing snack crate. Definitely check out the other snack crate videos. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Definitely tune in next week for another video. And shout out to Spain. Hey, what's up?
What's my favorite word?
You let me go to your fast for it.
It's just donuts, ain't it?
Why they give you so many? I'm not eating that.
You're not gonna eat it because they give you a lot.
Ain't nobody in here touch nothing.
Sweet straight on, okay? You want to tuck it, tuck it. Alright.
Why you gotta say it like short?
No, we don't. What you can do with a mango seed.
Hey, I tell you.
Oh!
Oh!
Yep.
In my white.
All in my Spud Webb, in my Dominique, in my Walter Payton, in my Hank Aaron, in my OJ, in my Herschel
Wait a
Walker.
minute, why do you
in
know
my
all the
Jack
words to this
Frost,
song?
in my Barrett Sanders.
Black excellence.
Yes!
You
I
matter!
finally made it! I'm better! Just the two of us.
Okay.
That was good.
Yeah, girl, that was great.
Thank you guys so much for watching my entire video and leaving a comment below. Please let me know if you have any travel or adventure video subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. See you next time.